Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, we are making some roasted potatoes, and as you heard, they are super crunchy but still very fluffy on the inside. So come along and let's get right into the video. I have here some potatoes which I have peeled and cut into wedges. When buying potatoes for this recipe, make sure to buy a firm potato. So not the kind that you will use for mashed potatoes. So check out the packaging of your potatoes before you buy them for this recipe. I have peeled all my potatoes, but I'm peeling this one to show you how I cut my potatoes into wedges in case you don't know how to do that. So just cut your potatoes into two and every half into two again. If it's too big, you cut every quarter into two again, just like this. Go ahead and rinse your potatoes and transfer it into a cooking pot. Now add enough water to cover your potatoes and transfer this onto your stove. Now add some salt to taste and allow this to cook until your potatoes are just softened. Now let's make some seasoning for our potatoes, and I'm using some onion powder, garlic powder and some Cajun seasoning. Mix it together and set it aside for later. Now I go back to my potatoes to check if it's cooked, and as you can tell, my fork is able to go through it, so it's done. It's cooked but also firm. Go ahead and drain your potatoes and transfer this onto a lined baking sheet. Next, you want to season your potatoes with our season mix we made just some few moments ago. Make sure to season this generously because we want the potatoes to be very tasty. You don't necessarily have to use the same seasonings I'm using. You can use any seasoning of your choice. In fact, I have another video on the channel where I use some suya spice to season my potatoes. Now spread out your potatoes gently onto your sheet so they are not on top of each other. You want the potatoes to have a room to roast in the oven. Add more seasoning if necessary, and then go ahead and drizzle your potatoes with some oil. The oil will help to crisp up the potatoes whilst in the oven, so this is very necessary. Transfer the potatoes into a preheated oven at 222 degrees Celsius and turn it down halfway to 200, and then flip the potatoes so it can bake on both sides. After about 40 to 45 minutes time, your potatoes should be looking this golden and crispy on the outside. Now serve this whilst piping hot with your favorite dipping sauce like ketchup or some mayo, and enjoy these roasted potatoes. Add some protein of choice and some veggies and make this a complete meal for the entire family. And I know you are going to really enjoy this simple recipe. Now just look at how fluffy this potato is on the inside and listen to that crunch. Now please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think of this recipe. Please subscribe and become part of the amazing family. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!